It is given that two metal rods have coefficient of linear expansion 1.1 into 10 raised to minus 5 and 1.65 into 10 raised to minus 5 respectively. The difference in length is 10 centimeter at all temperature. Their initial length must be respectively. So it is given that the difference in length, that means assume that we are having a rod of length L1 and another rod of length, take it as L2. So we can write this difference in length is equal to L1 minus L2, and in question it is given that this difference in length remains constant. That means when the temperature increases, the length of L1 will increase, the value of L2 will increase, but their difference in length is a constant. That means the increase in length or the change in length of first rod should be equal to change in length of second rod, so that the difference in length will remains constant. So in any question, if they are given that difference in length is a constant, so you can take this condition that change in length of first wire should be equal to change in length of second wire. So we can find out the relation between them. Change in length is equal to initial length, let's say L1 into alpha 1 into delta t, that should be equal to initial length of L2 into alpha 2 into delta t. Now the change in temperature is same, so delta T and delta T get cancelled. So we can write this L1 divided by L2 should be in the ratio alpha 2 divided by alpha 1. So in the given option, it doesn't mean that we are going to get exactly 40 centimeter, 50 centimeter, 30 centimeter, etc. But we can find out what should be the ratio of their length. So basically we can find out the ratio of their length from the ratio of their coefficient of linear expansion. For first one, the expansion was 1.1, and for second one it is 1.65. So 1.65 into 10 raised to minus 5 divided by 1.1 into 10 raised to minus 5 is going to give the ratio of it. So we can cancel these two. So this can be written as 165 divided by 110, or if you are just multiplying and dividing by 100. So we can write it like this. So if you are dividing this one by 5, so we may get something like 33, and 110 by 5 will get us 22, or if you are dividing by 11, we can write they are in the ratio 3:2. So the ratio between them should be equal to 3:2. So we can observe that in which option the same ratio is given. So it doesn't mean that we are going to get 20 exact answer, but we can say that this ratio should be same. So like in the D option, we can observe that they are in this given in the same ratio 30 by 20, that is in the ratio 3:2.